Hello and welcome to Hashtag Friday Sews. I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. Thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me in my sewing closet today. Hashtag Friday Sews is a creation of Jen at Today in Jen's Sewing Room, and this hashtag has brought together the sewing community from all over the world. If you haven't checked it out yet, please be sure to do so. All you have to do is click on the highlighted hashtag Friday Sews or type in hashtag Friday Sews into your search bar, and lots of videos will pop up. You can click on recently uploaded to get the latest and see what all these sewists are creating in their sewing rooms. And also be sure to check out Jen's channel at Today in Jen's Sewing Room. So what have I done this past week? Well, last week's video, you probably recall I was just getting over being sick, and so I was moving pretty slowly even after I started to feel better, but I did get started on my swimsuit, and that was the plan, and that is all I have done. Life-wise, today our house is finally listed on the market for sale. And we already have a showing scheduled in a couple of days, and I'm sure we'll have many more. So just all the tidying that we've done, and trying to keep it clean, like crazy clean. I don't know. We have 7 people in our house, and it's really challenging to keep things clean anyway. But we have to try extra hard to keep it clean so that we can show it within an hour's notice. I have requested at least 1 hour to prepare for a showing. So anyway, we'll see how that goes, but that has taken up a lot of my time. So let me show you how much I've gotten done on the swimsuit. First of all, the top. This is the front, so you can see the color blocking. The flamingo, the South Beach blue, and then the black, and a band at the bottom that's black. Let me show you the pattern once again. This is Simplicity 9275, just a simple t-shirt pattern, and I used this. So, a couple things about it. It's been pretty easy to work with. When I was working on my sleeves, I caught the sleeve in my serger. Not sure if you saw that, but right down here is a little tear where it got caught, and that was very frustrating. But when I tried it on, I thought the sleeves are just way too short. They come way up high, and I don't like that. So I thought I'm just going to remake the sleeves. So I have already cut out new sleeves in black, and I've added a couple of inches to the length. So I'm going to be pulling these out, replacing them with sleeves that are a little longer. But other than that, I am very pleased with how it's looking. So next will be the leggings. And let me show you the pattern for that. Simplicity 8561, and I'm doing view D because I wanted them long and nothing too complex. And you can see the different colors. So what I have done is made the front and the back in black, and then the yoke and the stripe down the side in the flamingo, and then there is a pocket, which is really neat, on each side. And these are not finished, by the way, but I trimmed the pockets with the South Beach blue, which turned out nice. So you can see I don't have the yoke on yet, the band for the elastic, and I just basted everything together to make sure it fit. I just finished these up last night, and so everything fits really nicely. All I need to do is go back and resew the stitches and then serge, And then for the skirt, here is the pattern. It is Simplicity 1370, and I went with View E, which is like, it's a fake wrap. It's not actually a wrap, it just has this front wrap panel, and then it has a little buckle there. This is made for woven fabrics, so it requires a zipper, but because I'm using swimsuit fabric, I don't need a zipper. So here it is, and the back is solid black, and it should have had a zipper, but I just stitched it right up. The front is, this is the wrap portion, so that comes around, and then over here is where the buckle will be. I actually have to go to the fabric store in a couple of days and get a buckle, which will be sewn on this side, and then this will wrap through, and it makes it look like it's a wrap that pulls through. So as you see, this is only basted up, and I don't have the yoke or the elastic waistband on it. So what I will do is I will put this over the leggings, and then I will connect them with a single black band. And once I'm done with all that, I will put it on and model it for you guys next week. And that has been it for this week in my sewing room. And I mentioned last week, I think, or maybe the week before, that a friend of mine has ordered some fabric from Wayfair to be sent directly to my house. She's asked me to make some curtains. It's just for a exterior door with a window up at the top. So just short little curtains with tabs. It really won't take me long to get those sewn up, but I asked her about the tracking on the material, and she said it has not been shipped yet. So I'm getting a little nervous about that now, because now that our house is listed, and we're going to be leaving for Kentucky this weekend to go, we still have not secured a rental house, so we have to go and get serious about finding a place for at least my husband to stay, but hopefully all of us. It's quite challenging to find a rental property that is suitable for 7 people. There are some out there, and they're quite expensive, and my husband decided that what we're going to do is actually look for a house that we can rent and live in for 1 to 2 years till the market kind of settles down. He talked with his financial advisor, and that's the advice he gave him. So I'm okay with that, as long as we have room and we can be comfortable. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's life. So anyway, short video today because I have not done much. I'm trying to think what else I might do. I'm going to finish up the swimsuit in the next day or two. I'm going to hopefully sew those curtains as soon as they're here. I am going fabric shopping in a day or two, and I'm going to go ahead and buy myself a pattern for a wrap dress, and I'm going to do it like in a Scotch plaid. I'm just really excited about that. 2 reasons. I love Scotch plaid, speaks to my heritage. And there's this movie that we love. It's called Wives and Daughters. Elizabeth Gaskell, I think, wrote it. And it's delightful. And the young girl buys this tartan plaid dress that is called Outlandish. And it's quite comical. And it just made me want a Scotch plaid tartan dress all the more. So anyway, if you haven't seen that and you like old period Victorian type movies, then you'll enjoy it. It's real cute and good storyline, clean. You can watch it with your family. So anyway, that's it. That's what I'm going to be about. I'm going to go buy a buckle to finish up my swimsuit, and I need some more thread. So next week, if you come back and join me, I'll do a little bit of a haul of the things that I've found, and hopefully show you my plans for a new dress. Until next week, happy sewing!